Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be diving into a topic that's pretty close to my heart and my gut. Yes, literally I'm talking about gut health. Did you know that your gut is actually referred to as your second brain? It can affect anything from your immune system to your skin to your energy levels. So if you're here to figure out how to heal your gut naturally, you're in the right place. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's find out what 5 foods can help heal your gut naturally from the inside out and make you feel amazing afterwards. Why is gut health important? I actually already made a video about this, so check it out after this video. But gut health, just as a summary, is important because you have trillions of microbes, fungi. All of these guys are in there, making sure things are running smoothly, your immune system is up to par, just all the good stuff that you need from your gut. But sometimes things don't run so smoothly, and that can be due to stress, that can be due to processed foods, antibiotics, or even lack of sleep. That's where you start seeing the bloating and the acne, the brain fog, which is why nurturing your gut is absolutely key. It's very important. And the best part is you can do it with just the foods that you eat on a day-to-day basis. First on the list, we have fermented foods. So fermented foods are basically your gut's best friend. They're packed with so many probiotics, which is exactly what your gut needs to balance your microbiome. Some of my favorites are sauerkraut. A few spoonfuls with your meals can do wonders. Then you have kimchi, which is a little spicy, but it's great for your digestion. Some of my favorites can be sauerkraut, you have kimchi, you have kombucha, and you have yogurt. These foods are all power foods that have lots of probiotics that can be really helpful for your gut. Okay, so pro tip, if you're new to fermented foods, definitely start off small and make sure you check the label to make sure that they're unpasteurized. That way you're getting live probiotics. Okay, so next we have bone broth. Bone broth is a superfood for healing your gut. It's rich with collagen and amino acids like glutamine to help repair your gut lining. You can think of it as a warm hug for your digestive system. So sipping on bone broth can actually help you reduce inflammation. It can help with a leaky gut. It can help soothe an irritated stomach. If you make it at home, it's gonna give you way better results than buying a store-bought one. But if you have to get a store-bought one, make sure you're getting a high quality one, in case you don't have the time or the energy to make it at home. So let's talk about fiber-rich foods. So fiber is actually full of prebiotics, which your gut microbes love to feed on. So that way the good bacteria in your gut can thrive and do what it needs to do. So my top picks are asparagus. It's actually really easy to roast and it's high in prebiotics. And we have artichokes, which are packed with fiber and really amazing for digestion. Then we have sweet potatoes that are loaded with nutrients and really gentle on your gut. Just remember to aim for variety. The more colorful your plate is going to be, the more happy your gut microbiome is going to be with you. Next on our list, we have omega-3 fatty acids. So these fatty acids are actually anti-inflammatory and they help repair your gut lining. Foods like wild-caught salmon, flax seeds, and chia seeds, and even walnuts are packed with omega-3s. Only the foods that are rich in omega-3s help support your gut health, but they also help support your brain and they also help support your skin. So it's really just a win-win. So finally, we have garlic and onions. These two are powerhouses when it comes to prebiotics, meaning they're feeding really good bacteria to your gut. They're also really rich in antibacterial and antiviral properties, which help keep harmful bacteria in check. Here's a pro tip. Make sure that if you have a sensitive stomach, to maybe cook the garlic and the onions a little bit to make it easier for your stomach. And either way, they're really tasty in meals, so it's a win-win. Once again, you're gonna get a tasty meal and you're also gonna get a healthy gut. And there you have it, guys. 5 really incredible foods to add to your day-to-day meals, to your day-to-day food and lifestyle to really help with your gut healing and your gut health. And as you see, they're not even that complicated. They're foods you usually eat or foods you usually do incorporate anyways. We just want to add them on a day-to-day basis. And the more you add them, the more difference they can make over time. Not only are the foods that you eat important, but also the way you eat them is very important. So you have to be mindful and chew slowly and swallow slowly while you're eating, and also minimize stress. And that way you can optimize for the best way to have better gut health in general. And that way you can optimize for the best digestion. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like, subscribe, comment below your favorite gut-friendly foods that you like to eat. And if you want to learn more about the importance of your gut health, you can watch my previous video. Now, I'll go ahead and add it at the end of this video so you can just click on it and watch it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Stay happy and healthy. Bye, guys.